Welcome to The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Hi, welcome to the Laboratory video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. My name is Akash, and today I'm going to talk about an exciting application that we've built for Miracle Offices, which is MASIA, an automated employee and guest sign-in application. In this video, I'll talk a bit about MASIA and the features and services that it provides. Then I'll explain the technology stack on which the solution is built and the architecture as well. I'll conclude this video with a live demonstration. So without much ado, let's get started. MASIA is a native Android application that runs on a tablet. This app makes the daily employee and guest sign-in process very efficient. It connects to Miracle's auth services to identify employees. Employees can sign in to Office daily either with their username and password or with a QR code generated on our Miracle Me application, or you even use face login. Yes, you heard it right. MASIA uses Azures Face API to recognize employee faces and sign them in. This is by far the most used feature in MASIA today. There are some more features that MASIA has in addition to QR code sign-in and face login. MASIA generates the monthly timesheets for all employees as an Excel sheet and makes the life of HR operations team so much easy. Every month, the operation team gets an email with this timesheet, which they can use for payroll and other purposes. MASIA also generates weekly hours report for every single employee and emails them to every employee. This way, employees are aware of their working hours for every week. So many features in just one app, and now let's see how MASIA is able to do all this. MASIA uses Azure Functions to keep the face recognition model up to date in the Face API. When new employees join and they sign up for face recognition, the Azure function kicks in to add their face images to the Face API and train the model. MASIA is a native Android app, and hence it is built on Android SDK with Java. It uses Google Firebase storage to store employee images for face recognition. It is backed by MongoDB to store all the daily employee activity and timesheets. So here's how everything works in sync. The Android app connects to the Node.js-based API that persists the daily employee activity in a MongoDB and also stores the employee images in Firebase. The Android app connects to Azure Functions to train images in Azure Face API and connects to Face API directly to detect and recognize faces during sign-in process. This is how MASIA is able to connect to required services to make the life of our employees so much easy and fun. Now, let me show you a quick demo of how our employees sign into Office daily. Let's see MASIA in action.
So this is the MASIA application. This is what every single employee of Miracle uses to sign them in daily into the office. Let me show you one way of signing in. If they tap Hubble Login, they will be able to enter their Hubble ID and password to sign themselves in. This is a pretty straightforward feature. Let me show you another very exciting feature, which is QR code. So all that an employee needs to do is tap this QR code and scan the QR code which is generated in Miracle Me application. And that's it. An employee can sign them in, track their lunch hours, and also check out. So this is how simple it is for an employee to track daily activity. Another feature that is most widely used is face login. Let me show you that. All that an employee needs to do is tap face login and take a picture of themselves. Let me do that. Perfect. So after taking a picture, what the application does is it uses Azure Face API to quickly detect the face and recognize who this face belongs to. and now it's understood that it's my face and it presents me with the same screen as before, with which I can again track my daily activity, track my lunch hours, and I'm good to go. This application also has guest check-in, where any guest who comes to Miracle offices can check themselves in. All that they need to do is take a picture of themselves. Let me do that. And then this picture takes a couple of minutes to upload to Firebase. After that, the application just needs a name, an email ID of the guest, and who are they here to meet. So they would be here to meet some person, and also there should be a purpose of visit. So all of these details are captured by this application during guest check-in process. This is how easy and simple it is to track employee activity daily and also record the guest visits to the offices.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.